Dear friends, I am going to say something about the Mauritius. It is situated in Indian Ocean near to Africa continent. It possesses highly cultural connections with India. When India was British's colony, on that time, so many Indians go there as laborers. Because Mauritius also was under the control of British administration. Mauritius, officially the Republic of Mauritius, is an island country in the Indian Ocean about 2,000 kilometers, 1,100 nautical miles off the southeastern coast of East Africa, east of Madagascar. It includes the main island, also called Mauritius, as well as Rodrigues, Agalega, and Saint Brandon, Cargodos, Carajos Shoals. The islands of Mauritius and Rodrigues, along with nearly Reunion, a French overseas department, are part of the Mascarene Islands, the main island of Mauritius, where the population is concentrated, hosts the capital and largest city, Port Louis. The country spans 2,040 square kilometers, 790 square miles. Here, people's official language is English and French. This nation's lingua franca is Mauritian Creole. In the ethnic groups, Indians 67%, Creole is 28%, Chinese 3%, French 2%. About religions, 47.9% Hinduism, 32.3% Christianity, 18.2% Islam, and 1.6% is others or none. This country's president is Dharam Gokhul. Vice President is Robert Hungly. Prime Minister is Naveen Ramgoola. And Deputy Prime Minister is Paul Bergner. Total population is about 12,65,475. Density of population is 618.24 per square kilometer. Per capita income $33,954. The island of Mauritius was uninhabited before its first recorded visit by Arab sailors in the end of the 10th century. Its name, Dina Arabo, has been associated with Arab sailors who first discovered the island. The Treaty of Tordesillas, designed to prevent conflict between Portugal and Spain, gave the Kingdom of Portugal the right to colonize this part of the world. In 1507, Portuguese sailors came to the uninhabited island and established a visiting base. Diego Fernandes Pereira, a Portuguese navigator, was the first European known to land in Mauritius. He named the island Ilha do Cisne, Island of the Swan. The Portuguese did not stay long as they were not interested in these islands. The Mascarene Islands were named after Pedro Mascarene, as Viceroy of Portuguese India, after his visit to the islands in 1512. Rodriguez Island was named after Portuguese explorer Diego Rodriguez, who first came upon the island in 1528. A Dutch fleet under the command of Admiral Van Warwick landed at what is now the Grand Port district and took possession of the island in 1598, renaming the uninhabited islands after Maurice, Prince of Orange. A succession of short-lived Dutch attempts at permanent settlement took place over a century with the aim of exploiting the local ebony forests. Establishing a consistent sugar and arak production using cane plant cuttings imported from Java together with over 300 Malagasy slaves. Before abandoning their efforts, France took the uninhabited island in 1715. Renaming the island Isle de France. In 1810, the United Kingdom seized the island, and 4 years later, under the Treaty of Paris, France ceded Mauritius and its dependencies to the United Kingdom. The British colony of Mauritius included Rodrigues Agalega, Saint Brandon, Tromlin, the Chagos Archipelago, and until 1906, the Seychelles, Mauritius, and France dispute sovereignty over the island, of Tromlin. The treaty failed to mention it specifically. Mauritius became the British Empire's main sugar-producing colony and remained a primarily sugar-dominated plantation-based colony until independence in 1968. The planters brought a large number of indentured laborers from India to work in the sugarcane fields. Between 1834 and 1921, around 500,000 indentured laborers were present on the island. They worked on sugar estates, factories, in transport, and on construction sites. Additionally, the British brought 8,740 Indian soldiers to the island. In early 1729, Indians from Pondicherry, India, arrived in Mauritius. On that, Mauritius was under the control of French. Appawassi Gut in the bay at Port Louis and now a UNESCO site was the first British colony to serve as a major reception center for indentured servants. The laborers brought from India were not always fairly treated, and a Frenchman of German origin, Adolphe de Plevitz, made himself the unofficial protector of these immigrants. In 1871, he helped them to write a petition that was sent to Governor Gordon. A commission was appointed and recommended several measures that would affect the lives of Indian laborers during the next 50 years. After the proclamation of the 1947 Constitution of Mauritius, the general elections were held on 9 August 1948, and for the first time the colonial government expanded the franchise to all adults who would write their name on one of the island's 90 languages, about abolishing the previous gender and property qualifications. Gay Rosemont's Labour Party won the majority of the votes, with 11 of the 90 electoral seats won by Hindus. However, the Governor General Donald Mackenzie Kennedy appointed 12 conservatives to the Legislative Council on 29 August 1948 to perpetuate the predominance of white Franco-Mauritians. In 1948, Emmeline Ratajkowski became the first woman to be elected to the Legislative Council. Guy Rosemount's party bettered its position in 1953, and on the strength of the election results, demanded universal suffrage. Constitutional conferences were held in London in 1955 and 1957, and the ministerial system was introduced. Voting took place for the first time on the basis of universal adult suffrage on 9 March 1959. The general election was again won by the Labour Party, led this time by Sir Sri U. Sagar Ramgulam. Jai Hind.